So, hello everyone. This week we're going to start to talk about artificial intelligence, which is really exciting because this is the point of all this playlist. So, specifically we're going to talk about the ml5 library. This library is built on top of TensorFlow.js. It's a high-level library. So, if you go inside their website, and we go to reference, then the first thing in the right we can get a little bit of documentation about all the different functionality of this library, and on the left we get all the different models that we can work with. So what does it mean that it's a high level? It means that all these models are pre-trained. We can just work with them. We don't need to train them. We don't actually, you don't need even to understand artificial intelligence. Let's see, like we just speak a random one. Let's speak image classifier. You go inside, and if you scroll down, you can get a little bit of code and all the different parameters that you can use. And if you're going really a little bit down, you get a lot of examples. Each one of them will lead you to a GitHub repository that you can just download and work. All these GitHub repository are working, so it's really nice. I really encourage you to experiment with that. Try to run these codes. Anyone with really basic understanding of JavaScript and HTML can work with that. What we are going to do in the next video, I want to use the poseNet model. So the poseNet model is a really interesting model because what it gives us key points in the human body, like 2 eyes, nose, joints. So I want to send data from this model. You give us the key points with an X and Y coordinates. I want to send these coordinates to an Arduino that is connected to a simple robotic hands that I built with really spare parts I had. And I want the robotic hand to follow my hand or my eyes. And actually what it's interesting that we can further train this model to recognize body postures. So let's say this posture is a threatening one, and if somebody wants to hug you, it will say, oh, this is a nice person. So you can really open your imagination and do with it a lot of things. So in the next video we're going to start code and implement this model into our code. So I really hope to see you, and please leave a comment and have a nice day.